How to grow jasmine on my fence. True jasmines, which belong to the olive family, are native to tropical regions in Asia but will grow in any area with a conducive climate. Jasmine may grow as a thick bush or a climbing plant. Growing fragrant jasmine along a fence will create a curtain of color during the summer and a deep green during non-flowering seasons. While this flowering plant is a natural climber, you still need to guide it to grow in the right direction. Guide the plant to a sturdy climbing support by leading it to your fence. Things you will need: 15-0-15 fertilizer pellets. String. Plant jasmine in a sunny location near the fence or supported structure. Position the plant no more than 1 to 2 feet away from the fence. Force the plant to grow upwards, or horizontally, by positioning a tall stake at the base of the plant. Allow the plant to grow up the stake before guiding it vertically. This allows the plant to grow a stronger base. Leave the plant to grow for 2 weeks to 1 month before training it vertically toward the fence. Fertilize the plant with 15-0-15 fertilizer pellets after planting. Repeat the fertilization once a year for optimum growth. Guide the tips of the plant through the fence and tie it loosely into place with string. Poke the tips through the chain link holes or loosely wind it around wooden fence slats. Check the strings monthly and move them as needed to guide the jasmine's growth along the fence line.